Happy summer, Laverne faculty. I would like to give you an update on our progress in updating our Blackboard server to version 9.1. So the first thing I'm going to do in this video is tell you where the two servers are located and give you some recommendations for beginning to develop your fall courses on each of those. I'm also going to show you our events calendar and where you can sign up for main campus training in August. And I'm going to end with our YouTube channel and show you how you can get on-demand training right now. So let me start with that first thing I mentioned. I'd like to make the analogy that this summer we did some construction on our house and we had to move out to a hotel. Our hotel has been our staging server, and this has been a temporary location for all of our summer school courses so that we knew everything was going to work while we taught summer school. Our house that we moved out of is on this server. We refer to this as the production server, but this is the server where all of your spring courses were taught last year, and it got rolled over during the summer to change everything to the new version. So the good news is all of your content that was there last spring is still going to be there. The odd part is it's going to look and feel like Blackboard 9.1, so things are moved around a tiny bit. Now, I said I was going to give you advice for building your fall classes. Your fall classes actually have been built on both of these servers. This server, let me return to the staging server, is going to be a lot like that hotel. We're moving back home in fall, and all of the fall classes will actually be taking place back on our production server. But we're still working on it, so it's not a completely stable environment while we here on campus are still tweaking some of the code to meet our needs. I'll give you a for instance. We have been out of compliance because our system had used Social Security number in your password, and that's a compliance issue that we decided this would be the optimal time to fix. So right now one of our OIT folks is working on the code to make our password conventions not include your Social Security number, and because of that logging in expires every day until we get this all the irons worked out. So in order for you to log in, some days you get a bright red stripe. I get it every day. What I do to solve this is I use this link right here. Forget your password, and then this window pops up. I put in my name, I put in my 8-digit Laverne ID, and when I submit this, I get an email in my inbox, and I follow this link, and it resets my password. I get a screen like this, and you know what? I just put my same password in it every time and just reset it back to what it was, and that's my workaround. It usually takes me about a minute to follow those steps. So if you want to build your courses on our production server where they're actually going to take place, we'd like you to be a patient person and understand that we're still working on it, and it would be like returning home before the hot water was running, and it's just what it is. If you would rather do your courses here on the staging server, you are welcome. You'll see they're built up here. Here's my fall 10s. You can absolutely go in and start creating content and organizing the look and feel of your course. And when we get closer to the actual fall semester, we'll have directions to help you export everything you created in here back onto that production server. So there's two ways you can do this, and we'll support you in either way. Again, patience if you're here. Know that you're going to export if you're here. So let me move on to the second thing. We do offer main campus events in our Library 151 lab. I am here at the university website, and I've gone to the Center for Teaching and Learning. We have a link here on our web page that takes you to our event calendar, and I'm going to use this calendar and move forward to August. I'm going to switch to the week view and move to that week of August 24th. And here you'll see we have 12 different courses that we're offering. They're usually pretty short. The longest one is Getting Started, and that's for people who are brand new to the system. And then you'll see if you select one of these links. It gives you a little blurb on what's going to be taught in that course, the time and the date. Now, if you'd like to sign up, right below this, we have all the courses listed out, and there is a link that takes you to a sign-up page. We've got everything here. We'll need your name and email. We'll contact you with a reminder before, and you'll see all the classes. You can select whichever ones you'd like to go to. So again, our main campus classes are located on our event calendar from the university website. Now, we do hear a lot from folks who teach at the regionals, or people who really use their summer to travel, or just prefer to learn on their own time. So over the summer, we've been developing a YouTube channel that has video tutorials on all of the things we offer in our main campus trainings. So if you look at the URL, you'll see that our address is /user/CTL after the YouTube link. And our page looks like this. Now, there's a series of playlists. So although you see 5 things here, in this playlist, when you expand it, I think there's like 9 videos in here. This is basics. Combined, these 10 minutes will give you a basic overview of how this system is different. And then there's things like how to set up announcements, email, and calendar. Here shows you what a new feature we have for students, and it shows you from a student view a whole series of videos for students. And there's even logging in, course availability, and how to put your syllabus in. Now, once you've gone into a playlist to get the others back, there's a button up here at the top that reverts you back to those other 5 playlists. Apparently, either ULV faculty has found these to be really helpful, or other people have been coming and watching our videos. Since we launched this in June, we have had 969 different views of these videos, and they're public, so if you know other people who use this version of Blackboard, please feel free to share this with them in the spirit of an open community. So hopefully that helps you prepare to create your fall courses, get main campus training, and get on-demand training. If you have any other questions, please call main campus phone number extension 4089. That's our student-run help desk, and we'll be able to help you with individual things.